Gavana wa kaunti ya Meru umegatabana Kawira mwangaza ni gobona berega gote abune rataranyora roboti rondoronsi ostaranyora li huko lyonse kurwase kyombe kyogotuko kurumi EACC aiga sense ya Kenya ni gago chama ya Kawira mwangaza gako mochigwa anenase chinchira aberega kurumire mogo chia saba korribe kaunti yo ya Meru yagotebekana buna Kawira mwangaza ro mugavana wa kaunti ya Meru ni gabetega kumulika umugako yebuno yo mubwaba kurimire mase kaunti yo anene yoberega kurwama chiko go cyaseri mubande ase county yo ya Meru na bo Kawira bo iganiga gotebekana buna gatya mu mocha mu bwateraneti ngamono kubalika baise kabamo babere emeremo ase county yo ya Meru.
There are allegations from media that there is an communication from EACC. We as the county government of Meru, we have not received any formal communication from EACC. We just saw the news on media yesterday night. We have not been served with any copy, and we are very surprised, but still waiting for them to serve us. And immediately after they serve us, we are in a very good position to give all the relevant answers to EACC. We understand from what we have been reading via social media that there are allegations, but I don't want to speak or talk about something that have not been served to me officially. As the governor of Meru, I'm still waiting to see and waiting to receive any document or any communication from EACC.